Hey boys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna give the FreeRide a little upgrade here. We're gonna slap an MBRP Trail can on her. We're going to pop the heat shield off here.
You don't have to drill. Oh, you already pulled the heat shield off. My bad. Look at that fucking suitcase. See you later, Stinky.
You got to take the bolt and the spring out right in there. So this here is your plug for your exhaust temp. We're going to go ahead and we're going to unplug that.
Pull it now.
See you later, Stinky.
Chalk it. Right off Mitch's walls. Right off the walls.
No, not off the walls. Oh,
You can smell that exhaust, man. That fucking gets me going. This is your exhaust temp sensor. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take that off. So your old rubber mounts, you're gonna take off your old exhaust and you're gonna put them on the new can here.
Right there.
Throw that in there.
And then right there on that one.
Yeah.
And then it'll go in. Just set it in place. And then she goes in.
Beautiful.
Right down there.
Bing, bing, bing. Now this one, do you have to?
Nope, just slide it over.
They should all just go right in their spots. Alright, he's putting the springs on now.
Drill the hole right there for the exhaust sensor. That's gonna slide on just like that. Alright, so you're gonna put your clamps back on there. Alright, so you're gonna shove your exhaust temp sensor right back in there. And we'll get that tightened up in a second. And then you're gonna connect her here.
Just connects. Right, it's a little dark. Right in there, it'll just connect.
So we got the can installed. We're gonna fire up here, give it a little sound test. And thanks again for watching.